everyone, I am Sam, and today I'll talk to you about a little bit about wikis. So, what is a wiki? The word wiki comes from the Hawaiian wiki, which means fast, quick. So, the wikis they rely most on this word. So, a wiki is a site designed for being edited by multiple people at a time in a simple and fast way. So the first wiki was opened in March of 1995 under the name of Web, also known as Warren Wave. But the most known wiki began 6 years later, in 2001, April for exact. So on its beginnings, this wiki was called Nupedia. But after some time, the content changed, the scheme of making the content changed, and the whole wiki changed its name. So it is now known as one of the most popular and controversial wikis of all time. I'm not referring about Wikipedia. So what is controversial? Because on the first of the times, Wikipedia could be edited by anyone. No need to register to do something. You just go, click edit, and write whatever you want. So this was good at some point, because people wanted to protect their privacy, but still people could make changes even so they weren't good. So there were many pages on that time that had useless content that some people may think it was true, but it wasn't. So that could be confusing for some people, and in other cases it could be bad. Then the wiki changed to make users register, and if not, their IP address will be registered on the history of the page. But still, there are some pages that still have useless information, or that it is completely irrelevant or away from the subject of the page. So, but still, Wikipedia is the most visited page or wiki in the whole internet. So the Spanish version of the Wikipedia has more than 1.5 million of articles. That's a lot. And if I don't remember, I think I'm wrong, but the English version of Wikipedia has more than 4 million articles. I'm not sure about that, but still there are a lot of articles. So how can we use wikis? So the wikis are used in this way. You get into a host, for example, Wikipedia, fandom, or whatever you want. You register, and then you are free. You can edit an existing wiki or create yourself one. It has to be from a specified subject. You can change it later. Most of the wikis are designed for serious content. For example, science subjects, mathematics, education, lives of famous people, the list goes on. There's a lot of things on Wikipedia. But there are certain other wikis that are made for other things that are serious. For example, fandom, formerly known as Wikia, is one of the most known wikis for Wikipedia. Fandom, whose name refers, is designed to base in a specified subject. For example, movies, TVs, whatever. You can edit everything related to this topic and whatever. And wikis are very versatile sites, but you will have to be careful, because there are some articles that are completely irrelevant, trash, or useless, however you want to name them. They can be useful for searching information, but you should also look for other sites, for example, encyclopedias that are not editable, physical encyclopedias, books, and some other pages that can be more trustful. So you have to be careful when you look on wikis, because some part of the content may be false. but still, Wikis are one of the most versatile sites you can find on the internet. Okay, so that is all for today. See, I hope you like this video, and I hope I get a good qualification. Okay, that's all. Goodbye.